Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve few logical reasoning questions based on Nabard examination. So let us begin with our first question, but before that we have directions for first 5 questions. So let us go through the directions. It says first statement is P divided by Q means P is son of Q. Okay, so here the mathematical indications, the mathematical signs are something relating to the relations between two persons. The second is P into Q. So P is sister of Q. P plus Q indicates that P is brother of Q, and P minus Q indicates that P is mother of Q. So here we have been given equations relating all these mathematical terms, and we need to find the relation of them. So first question here is, how is T related to S in the expression T into R plus V divided by S? So here we have T into R plus V divided by S. So T into R, you can see here P into Q means P sister of Q. So T is sister of R. This is one statement. Second is R plus V. So R plus V means R is brother of V. R is brother of V. Third statement is V divided by S. So V divided by S means V is son of S. So V is son of S. Now we need to find the relation between T and S. So T is sister of R and R is brother of V. So this indicates that T is also sister of V, because there is a sibling relationship between T, R and V. They are all brother sisters. So since T is sister of R and R is brother of V, therefore T is T is sister. T is a female because here we have been T is sister. So T is sister of V, and you can see V is son of S. Since V is son of S and T is sister of V, therefore T is daughter of S. So how is T related to S? So the answer will be T is daughter of S, which means option number E, but not option B, because here is the trick in this question. It is asked T related to S, and T is related to S as T is daughter of S, and you can see there is no option as daughter. And if we want mother as the answer, if mother was the correct answer, the question would be S related to T. S related to P is mother and T related to S is daughter. So you must take care of not confusing yourself here. So here we have daughter, which means option E. So here we have done question 1. Now let's move on to the question 2, which says how is T related to S in the expression? Again a same T and S relation where the expression is different this time. So here we have T into R divided by V minus S. So starting with T into R. So T into R means T is sister of R. T is sister of R. Then we have R divided by V. So R divided by V means R is son of V. So R is son of V. Now we have V minus S. V minus S is V is mother of S. V is mother of S. So from this you can say T is sister of R and R is son of V. So we can say that T being sister of R and R being son of V, so T must be daughter of V, because there is a sibling relation between T and R is son of V, so T must also be daughter of V. So T is daughter of V and V is mother of S. So V being mother of S, so you can see V is mother of T here because T is daughter of V. So therefore V is mother of T, and here also V is mother of S. So since V is mother of both T and S, therefore T and S are siblings. They are brother sister relationship. There is brother sister relationship or sister sister relationship, but we know that T is a female, because here we have T is sister. So T is female, so T is sister of S. So here we have T is sister of S. Now let's check the options. Option number B says T is sister of S. Hence option B is the correct answer of this question. Now we shall move on to the third question. So third question also we have, how is S related to T in this expression. So this time there is a conversion in the question. As I said in the first question, it is converted now. S related to T. Till now we had T related to S. Now we have S related to T. And the equation is T plus R minus V plus S. So beginning with T plus R. So T plus R means T is brother of R. So let's write it here. T is brother of R. Now we have T minus V. T minus V means T is mother of V. R minus V. R minus V means R is mother of V. R is, this will be R is mother of V. Third we have V plus S. So V plus S means V is brother of S. V is brother of S. So from this, here we can solve it like past two questions, but in that questions we needed T related to S, but here we need S related to T. And from this question you can see we don't know anything about the gender of S, because here T is brother, so T is a male, then R is mother, so R is female, then V is brother, so V is a male, but we don't know anything about the gender of S, and we need the relation of S related to T. So for that we obviously need the gender of S, but the gender of S cannot be determined. So our answer of this question will be cannot be determined, because since we cannot determine the gender, we cannot determine the relation only. So answer will be D, that is cannot be determined. So let's move on to the next question, that is question number 4. So question 4 says, which of the following means S is the husband of T? So here you can see we have 4 options, and we need to find which of these 4 options say that S is husband of T. So for this we need to solve each one of the equation and find whether S is the husband of T. So let us begin with option number D. So option D we have T divided by R into V plus S. So as you can see in the question, we need S is the husband of T. So let's check whether S is the husband of T or not. So T divided by R means T is son of R. T is son of R. Now R into V. R into V means R is sister of V. R is sister of V. V plus S means V is brother of S. V is brother of S. So here you can see we have R is sister of V and V is brother of S. So all these three have brother sister relationship where R is sister of S. Since R is sister of V and V is brother of S, which means R is sister of S also, sister of S. And here we have T is son of R. So T is son of R. So this is son of R and this is sister. So here we do not have any husband-wife relationship. So option D is the wrong option. Now let's check the other option, that is option number C here. So option C is T minus R plus V divided by S, which is T minus R plus V divided by S. So beginning with T minus R. So T minus R means T is mother of R. So T is mother of R. Then we have R plus V. R plus V means R is brother of V. So R is brother of V. Then we have V divided by S. V divided by S means V is son of S. So V is son of S. So you can see here T is mother of R and R is brother of V. So this says that T is also mother of V, because R and V are brother sisters, and here we know that T is mother of R, which says T is also mother of V. So T is mother of V, and you can see V is son of S. Since V is son of S, we can say that S is, we don't know the gender, but we can say S is parent of V, because V is son of S, which means S is parent of V. So you can see here T is mother of V and S is also a parent of V. So it clearly says that S is the father of V, because T is already the mother of V and S is also a parent of V, which says S is father of V. So it says that S is the husband of T, and this is what we needed. S is husband of T. So option C says that S is husband of husband of T. So option C is the correct answer to this question. Now we have the last question, which is option 5. So option 5 says, how is V related to T in the expression? So here we need V related to T. So let's write the equation here. We have T divided by R plus V into S. So the very first relation is T divided by R, which means T is son of R. So this will be T. So here we have T is son of R, and we have R plus V, which means R is brother of V. So R is brother of V, and here you can see in the question we have been asked the relation between V is related to T. So we don't need to solve further because we have got relation between T and V, so we don't need to bring S in the C. So how is V related to T? Before that, we can say R is related to T in the manner that R is father or mother. Let's not write father, let's write parent. R is parent of T, because T is son of R, which means R is parent of T, and R is brother of V. So V is sibling to R, because we don't know the gender of V, so we will say sibling. So from this you can very well understand that here we have R being the parent of T and V being the sister or brother. It is most probably sister here, because V is being the sibling to R and R is the parent of T. So basically it is uncle or aunt of T. So the answer can be either uncle or aunt, and we have both the options in our question, uncle and aunt. So how to come out with this problem? So for this, what we need to do is we need to consider S also. We have the last relation V into S. So V into S means, here we can see V is sister of S. So V is sister of S. So from this we have come to know the gender of V. So we have come to know the gender of V. Since V is sister, which means V is female and V is sibling to R, whereas R is the parent of T. So V becomes the aunt of T. So the answer won't be uncle, the answer will be aunt. So our answer will be option number A, which is aunt. So I will like to end this video here. You will find some more logical reasoning based questions on Nabard examination in our further video.